Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am here to resolve the type of general error we face when we are trying to link the file and folder in Python. So before getting started, do not forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Let's get started. I wasted my time to fix this error and I don't want you to waste your precious time. As you see, the error is no such file or directory. This error occur even I have linked my Google Drive to it, and given the same folder path as shown. Let me show you all again, copying the folder path again, and replacing the folder link path. Now running the code again. But as you see, we are getting the same error. So you are wondering, how can we solve this error? The fun part is that we are doing all things correct but missing a / at the last of the folder link. Let me show you. / added, and rerun your code. As you see, our code is now running without any error. You can easily resolve this error without wasting your time. At last, thanks for watching and do not forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Bye, keep supporting.